Ever wondered what your car is really thinking? Well, today we're diving into the world of OBD2 scanners, and specifically, the Ancel BD200. Let's see if this affordable tool can provide valuable insights into your vehicle's health. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Ancel BD200 OBD2 Scanner, a powerful tool for anyone looking to keep their car in top shape. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this scanner has something for you. Let's get started. Unboxing. First up, let's see what's in the box. The Ancel BD200 comes with the OBD2 scanner itself, a user manual, a USB charging cable, and a handy carrying case. This makes it easy to keep everything organized and portable. Now let's talk about the build quality. The Ancel BD200 has a sturdy design, which feels durable in your hands. The buttons are responsive, and the large LCD screen is bright and easy to read, making it user-friendly, even in dim lighting. Features. Now let's dive into the features. Read and clear codes. This scanner can read diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, and clear them, which is essential for troubleshooting issues. Lev data stream. You can view real-time data such as RPM, vehicle speed, and fuel trim. Multi-language support. The BD200 supports multiple languages including English, Spanish, and French. Compatibility. It works with OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. Compact and lightweight. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around and store. Sage demonstration. Let's see the Ancel BD200 in action. First, plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. The scanner will power up automatically. Navigate through the menu to select Read Codes. You'll see any trouble codes along with brief descriptions. This is incredibly useful for diagnosing problems quickly. Pros and cons. All right, let's break down the pros and cons of the Ancel BD200. Pros. Affordable price point, user-friendly interface, accurate readings, good build quality. Cons. Limited advanced features compared to higher-end models, no Bluetooth connectivity. But for the price, it really packs a punch. Customer reviews. Customer feedback is essential, so let's look at some reviews. Overall, users love the ease of use and reliability of the BD200. Many mention it's perfect for DIY projects and everyday use. However, a few noted the lack of advanced features as a drawback. Final thoughts. So, should you buy the Ancel BD200 OBD2 scanner? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable tool to help diagnose car issues, this is a fantastic option. It's especially great for beginners and DIYers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips and product reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks for watching and drive safe. First up, let's see what's in the box. The Ancel BD200 comes with the OBD2 scanner itself, a user manual that explains everything you need to know, a USB charging cable for convenient charging, and a handy carrying case that keeps everything organized. It's compact and easy to transport, perfect for mechanics on the go or car enthusiasts who want to diagnose issues anywhere. Build quality and design. Now let's talk about the build quality and design. The Ancel BD200 is built to last, featuring a sturdy, durable casing that feels solid in your hands. The buttons are nicely spaced and responsive, which is especially useful when you're working quickly. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips and product reviews. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.